All right, so we're going to use this 155 PSI maximum pressure industry leading Colman Powermate premium air compressor. All right, and to blow up our tires. Luckily, we've got this bad nasty boy up here. The way it works is you've got a gauge here. This tells you that I've already got some pressure in it. And to turn it on, if you go to this box right here and you go to the side, you're going to see it's got off and it's got on. If I click this, it's going to go on. Watch. Oh, it's this way, it goes off. Now, depending on what you're going to be using, depends on how much pressure you want to get in there. I'm doing car tires, so I really don't need more than like 40 pounds of pressure in it. Over here, it kind of tells you the different things that you can use it for. You know, you can use it for all these impact wrenches and ratchets and stuff like that. And, you know, it will also operate intermittently with these other types of drills and stuff, but we're just filling up a tire. All right, here we go. And so that one's low, so we got to fill this one up. For some reason, our tires are losing pressure. All right, now let's look. We're getting closer. Maybe just a couple more hits on it. All right, let's check it again. I'm gonna get one more hit. Okay. Now let's go check the ones on the other side. Ugh.
It's off.
It's off?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess the light went off, so she's good. Drive safely. And so I got this long green hose, and at the end of it, I've got my head. Now this head can come off. All you got to do is you got to pull this, or you got to do something with it. So just to reiterate, to get it out, you got to push hard, pull this down with your fingers, then it pops out. Bam. To get it back in, you got to pull it down, push it in, and then pop it back up. And you got to move it around a little bit, make sure it's not leaking. But that's it. That's how you do it. Push in, pull down, pop out, push back in, pull down, pop back up. Bam, done. All right, to put it away, I just kind of wrap it up like this. And just set her on there. Bam, done. Unplug it. Finito. All right. Welcome to my garage. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. One more time, just so you know. Push, pull, pop. Put it back in, slide it up, twist it, air stops coming out. That's it. All right, Paish out.